Hello everyone, this is Eva from Pontoon. Are you hesitant about buying a boat which is more functional and can small spaces? Follow me, I'll show you something. Firstly, look such big deck space so you can carry your friends and families to enjoy party on board. Unlike the lean-back sofa, when you lay on it, the angle can give you a support for relax. Second, here is the sofa. We use the marine leather, and you can check the soft. And we have many spaces for storage of each sofa unit, like here. And we have option for table, which is with the cup holders and the phone holders. You can put the beers inside and some snacks. And we have option to make it fully covered mini to protect you from the sunshine. Now I'm sitting on a 23-foot, 7-meter pontoon boat. This boat beam is 2.4 meters. If for one unit, we can get it loaded into container fully assembled. So this boat is for 12 people sittings, so we can check the layout. The sofa colors can be customized, also the layout. Now we get to the captain area, so we can see here is the console station. We put the hydraulic steering with wheel onto it, and we have the control panels and standard. Here is a cup holder for captain. And up on we can see the bimini. We get it for a fully covered bimini, so it can protect you from the sunshine. And here is the seagrass floor. We have color options for it. Now we come to the stern of the boat, so we put the second table here when passengers sit here, so you can put your drink inside, and here is the phone holder. You can enjoy time here. Now we can check the outlook of this boat, so we can see the front sail. We make small details here for readings. For the front sail and this color, we can customize it according to your ideas. If you have any plans for pontoon boats, please contact us. We will make a proposal for you. Thank you.